Okay everyone, I want to tell you about this absolutely beautiful pergola that I have here. This is a very, very high quality. I'm extremely impressed with the heavy duty and sturdiness of this gazebo. I have put together a lot of them and this is by far the best one. So the assembly and installation is pretty quick and easy. I did it with 2 other people, and you just put the bottoms on so they stand flat. Then you attach the corners, and then you attach the beams across, and then you put the louvers on. So it is a large gazebo, but it doesn't take too long to put together. I have some video of us putting it together to show you how to do it. So this is the 10 by 19 size. It's really cool because it has these louvers that you can open and close, so you can either get sunlight in here, or you can have it covered for shade, or it even protects against rain because it has gutters system through this. So on each of those poles that go across, there's a gutter that goes inside and down, and there's a little spout on the bottom where the water is shoots out. So great design. I love that feature, and it's all powder coated and really nice to look at. It comes with these hooks right here, so all you do is put them inside and turn it, and it opens it. So you can either even direct the sunlight to a different part of the yard, or just let a bunch of sunlight through. So if you want a pergola that doesn't make it so that you're always in the shade and you can control, this is a great, great purchase. So very happy with this. It's really, really nice and sturdy, and it's going to last a very long time.